Welcome, and for is a Veeco View Go, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb mode. So it looks like it is right over here for me. So once you find it, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take us to the settings where we can customize how it works. So we have number one, things like priority only allows. If you tap on it, you can customize how it works. So start off with messages and calls. Both of them have the same option, so you can allow messages and calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And with a slight difference of calls, if you for instance go with none, it does have this option right here. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will basically be able to completely bypass the none option. So based on this, no one should be able to call us. But if they meet this requirement right here, they will completely bypass the restriction. Now this option is fairly good in terms of emergencies. People spam call you at that moment, so this will allow them to reach you. So from here, once you set it all up, you can simply leave it and never come back to it. And all you need to do is tap on the toggle to turn it on, like so. And right now the device is in the Do Not Disturb mode. And once you're done with it, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, like so. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.